spirit of learning, thank you very much for coming back to my YouTube channel and Happy New Year 2019. And to this video, we're gonna learn how do we design the splash screen and home listing in the Adobe XD and in the Android Studio. But oops, I already designed in the Adobe XD with some animation, and in this case, we just want to focus on the Android development for the Android user interface design animation. So right now, don't forget to download those assets in the video's description because I already provide for you guys. So then after that, we're gonna continue to learn together with me in this video. Okay everyone, with the spirit of learning, let's get started. Okay everyone, with the spirit of learning, so this is the design that I did, only 2 pages. With get started with the amazing illustration, and one is the home listing. Okay, so right now we're gonna apply this app like this, and then like this. Wow, amazing, isn't it? So we're gonna try to implement this kind of design to the Android Studio. So make sure you have download the assets. Okay, but if you wanna buy the assets, just check in the video's description because I provide to you how do you buy those illustration. Okay, so right now you could use the demo one, copy, and then we are going to copy to the Android Studio with the res and drawable. Okay, and drawable. Okay, so providing you the font type, so we're gonna copy this to the Android project, to your Android Studio project, which is Ren Google, this one. And then we have to go to the app and src, and then main, and then over here just provide assets. Okay, instead of the assets directory, we provide fonts, and then we paste off all of them over there. Cool. So if you close this, the Android Studio will be generate a new directory, as you can see in the left side over here. Cool. Okay, so in this section we're gonna focus on this splash screen first before we're heading to the home listing. Okay, so this is the get started pages with the one illustration and one title and then one button. Okay, now we're going to the Android XML here for the activity main, and I'm going to the value and then style. We don't need any action bar over here. Okay, just close it. And uh, for the status bar color, we're going to use our color, which is green one. So we can copy from here the green hex code, copy, and then we put it into the Android Studio just like this. Okay, cool. And for this hello world, I think that we could just copy from these sentences, and then we just want to paste it to the text over here. Okay, discover new home today, right? But we want also make it you know, like break line, so it's supposed to be like this. Okay, cool. And then we have to change the text size, which is 26 sp. Yeah, and then text alignment to the center, and then line spacing extra. Okay, and I think text size supposed to be bigger, 28. Yeah, and then after that we have to remove this, and I want to keep it over here. So we can leave it for now because we want to use another section, which is image view. So the image view, the size itself is about 300. Okay, this, and then we take the src to the uh, what was that for the illustration? Yeah, amazing. Now we just want to put here, here, and then here, and I want to change it to my emulator. Okay, and then for the for the sentences, we could just target to the here and like this. Okay, amazing. And I think that the top supposed to be a little bit closer. Okay, and then we have to give the ID to the text view screen, text view splash. Okay, and give the margin right, and then give the margin left. Okay, amazing. The reason why I put this ID because we want to customize the font size, the font style later on. Okay, right now we continue to prepare a button. Okay, if we see here, the button width is supposed to be 2060 and then 50. 2060 and then it's supposed to be 55. Okay, and we have to put it on the bottom, right, and then left. Okay, and make it top like this. Amazing. And little bit up. Okay, and I will give the ID, which is a button splash, and don't forget to provide text, which is take me in, and all caps is false. Okay, and then text size 22 sp. No, I think just 20. Okay, and we have to provide the background. As for now, just using this background, and change text color white color. Okay, now we have to go to a drawable new, and then drawable resource file, which is background button splash. Okay, so the background button splash is supposed to be like this, and then after that we're targeting to the here background. Here we replace with the background button splash. Okay, now it's supposed to be like this. Now we're going to play it into the emulator. When you run the app, you might get a problem like this because this one. Okay, so I think that we have to refactor it and rename to the item pick 3. Okay, and then refactor. Okay, and after that you could play again into the emulator, and still you get the error for the illustration. So I think we have to uh, refactor again to rename it, maybe img space like this, and then refactor. So this is the result, but we have to change the font size and then font color and then font style in the Java. Okay, so right now we're going to the text view, and then here change it to the text color that we could get it. So we paste over here 3E4993. Okay, and now we're going to the Java to customize the font style. Okay, now the font style has been changed. Looks, it's awesome, right? You see? Wow. So this is for the discover, and then this is for the button, and this is for the image view. You just need to follow the thing that I wrote here. First we have to declare the new variable, and then we import the font style, and then we paste it with the set type phrase. Okay, and now let's talk about the animation like this. Okay, I think that we can do it in the Java. So we have to go to RES to new Android directory, sorry, resource directory, and then OK, and then we provide them from top bottom. Okay, then you have to follow this code for the translate and the alpha. Okay, and then we have to register here in the Java from bottom top, and then we have to import, sorry, import like this. So the name was from top bottom, so from top bottom. So this is our app. If I click here like this, okay, because I uh, I import the animation like this, and then we pasting them the animation like this. Okay, and now we just need to provide for the image view. So we're going back to the animation resource directory, small to big. Okay, small to big, and then we use, so for this animation we use scale to make it small to the big, and then we use alpha for the fade in for the opacity. Okay, as usually we have to provide here sm to big. Okay, as you can see, if we click here, wow, amazing, because we were passing the animation. First we have to import by the small to big, and then this is for the start animation like this. Okay, so for this screen it's actually done, and we just need to design, sorry, we just need to continue to the another screen. Okay, so right now you have to click here, new, and then activity, and then empty activity. So this is for the home activity. Just finish. So here we just need to follow this design that I already done, and then yeah, start with the text view, and then this is view. Okay, so we're going to here to provide a text view, and I think to make it more faster, you just need to go to layout and then activity main, just looking for the text view here, copy, and then put them here. Okay, and then after that just make like this, and then we have to put top, and then right like this, and then left. Okay, for the top one just go with a 24, and then for the text size I think just go with 22. Okay, amazing, right? And then we need another text view below of this sentence. Okay, so this is the text view that I duplicate, and you just need to follow this code, and then I provide view here for the divider. Okay, so let me show you. We provide margin right, and then margin left, and then margin top. It's supposed to be 24. Okay, and then here we change it to the 1 dp. Okay, so the user not really couldn't see it, but there's a divider over there. Okay, but in the margin end we have to make it a 0 dp and then a 0 dp. Okay, amazing, wow. Now we're going to the main activity, and then we have to provide the button splash. So we click here, and then take me in. Okay, so this is the second screen. If you see over here, sorry, no, over here, yeah, so we have to continue again. Okay, and over here I provide the title categories. You just need to copy from this one, and then little bit tidy up for the size, and then text, and then the layout constraint, okay. And after that we have to give them like horizontal scroll view, just make it match parent, and then this is maybe talk about let's see in the Adobe XD, just go with 120 dp. Okay, and then we have to give the ID, which is category item. And after that, you just need to uh, setting the layout width and height, and then don't forget to make it 0 0, and margin top, it has to be 16 dp to the categories. And inside of the horizontal scroll view, we got the linear layout, and the orientation supposed to be horizontal because we're going to display those items to horizontal. Okay, so let's get to try it into the emulator. So we click here, and then boom, take me in, and like this. Wow, amazing, right? But you can see there we couldn't scroll it. Okay, that's a problem. I think that we have to give the margin right here 24 dp. Okay, so instead of the margin right, I replace with the padding right. You see, wow, it looks amazing, isn't it? So we're done for this scroll view. Okay, but we need to customize the font. Okay, so we have to go to main activity. Sorry, yeah, we go to main activity, and then we copy all of them to put it to the home activity. Okay, like this. We click here, and then the font size and font style has changed. Wow, amazing. Look, I like this user interface design. It looks like monochrome design. You see? Wow. So here I just want you to follow the latest step that we did in the main activity. Declare the variable, import, and then we targeting to base the ID, and then this is we change with the set typeface. Okay. Right now I want to create this one, rare to find, and I think just copy from the categories, put it under horizontal scroll view. It's supposed to be like this. Okay, rare to find. And then the next one, we have to provide the linear layout actually for the match parent, and then this is from the word content. Alright, so for the orientation, based on this design, supposed to be horizontal 1 2 and 3. Okay, sorry, supposed to be vertical 1 and 2, and then inside of the another layout we got this image, we got title, and then we got the stars. Okay, so let's go ahead. Over here the orientation is supposed to be vertical. Okay, and then after that we got the linear layout match parent, but instead of the linear layout we got horizontal, and then we got image view here. Okay, and after that we have to provide another linear layout. Just copy from here to put here, and then we close the linear layout. Okay, like this. But in this case just want to a vertical without the margin, and like this. Okay, instead of here we provide them like text view for the title of the house. Okay, just like this. Okay, let's go ahead with the La for granite. Okay, so just La for granite. So this is linear layout for those title. Now we just want to provide rating with the stars. Okay, so here we provide them a linear layout again. I think just copy from over here, copy, and then paste here like this, and then here we close the linear layout. Okay, and this is supposed to be horizontal. Okay, and then just copy from the image view to put over here, but we have to change it to the star. Okay, and where is this? The stars. Okay, and I think that we have to change it match parent to the different. Maybe just go with 200 dp. Okay, and then this one also for the text just go with 400 dp. No, just go with the wrap content. Okay, amazing. And you can see the stars over there, but we have to make it smaller. Just go with 18 dp, and then 18 dp. Okay, and then you just need to copy until 5. Okay, but we undo. Before that, the margin right supposed to be 6 dp. Okay, and we have to copy the image view like this until 5. Okay, amazing. Provide the margin top 28. Okay, and then in this linear layout we have to give a margin right around 40 dp. No, just go with 45. Okay, now we're gonna test it into the emulator. So as you can see, those stars are really amazing with the level granite over here. Yeah, okay, so we could scroll view, and right now I think that you just need to duplicate this linear layout. Okay, we click here and then just copy, so we will get 3 linear layout, but we have also to change a different ID. So this is ID which is uh, item 1. Okay, and then the secondary is the sorry is the ID item 2. Okay, but here sorry, Android, we have to ID item 2. Okay, and right now in this ID item 2 we have to move it, you know, we have to move it and click here and then select the item 2 and target to the next item and give the margin is about 16. Okay, but before that I forgot to put a view for a divider like this. Okay, and right now we just want to copy from the top one. Where was that? This one, copy, and then we go back to the this linear layout. Okay, so over here, okay, we press there's a few, right, and we have to give the margin left and margin right, and I think that I want to remove this first, just like this, and then change it the height 14 dp, so you could see exactly where is the divider. Okay, so I call it a divider. Okay, and then for the layout width, just go with a 300 dp, and then sorry, just make it a match parent, but give the margin left 24 dp and then margin right 24 dp. Okay, so for the margin top is supposed to be just 10 dp. Okay, and then change it height to the 1 dp again. Alright, so you got the view, and I'm going to copy this divider to the item number second over here. Okay, so we got view, and then the last one we just want to copy for the item number third. Okay, So this one is supposed to be item truth. Okay, so I already changed it, but the problem is the stars. Okay, so I think that we have to setting the margin, this one, a different value, so the margin rate supposed to be, maybe just go with 90, not yet, 91, 92. Yeah, okay. And for the third item, we have to give a different margin. Just go with the 90, supposed to be 100, 105, 110. Okay, like this. Cool. And this is so amazing, right? So let's try from this one. Okay, but that's supposed to be animation. Okay, so the thing that we have to do is just following the last step that we did in the splash screen. Oops, this one. So we're gonna use this animation for this animation. Okay, so we click this and it's opening, and like this. Wow. But the thing that I don't really like, it's because this one, they are together. You see, I really want to change it different. I mean, there's the distance of the duration between of the elements. Okay, especially for this one. All right, so the thing that we have to do is go to anim and then create another directory from top bottom 2. Okay, so I got from top bottom 2 with the offset is 600 and top bottom 3 with offset 900. Okay, and now we just need to import to this home activity Java, and in this section we just need to change it to the 2 and this is 3. Okay, and then let's get started to prepare it and test it into the emulator. So we click here. Wow, amazing, right? So it's little bit smooth. Okay, so we click this run go. Okay, wow, amazing, right? Okay, so congratulations. Okay everyone, with the spirit of learning, I hope that was amazing and I hope it would be useful for you. Please consider to hit that subscribe button if you like this video and share with your friends. And if you do have some question on this video, please let me know. Just ask me in the video's comment and then I'm gonna answer to you. Okay everyone, with the spirit of learning, I hope we're gonna see you in the next time and goodbye for now. Bye.